Welcome. Let's solve quadratic equations using formula method. In our previous class, we solved quadratic equations using factorization method. There are some quadratic equations that factorization method cannot solve. But with formula method, you can solve any kind of quadratic equation. So let me show you how to solve quadratic equation using formula method. So we already established that quadratic equations are equations in this form where we have a raised to the power x raised to the power 2 plus bx plus c equals 0. So there is a formula that can help us get the values of x if we have a quadratic equation. What is that formula? The formula is that x is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a, where a, b, c are the coefficients of a and b are the coefficients of x. That is, a is the coefficient of x raised to the power 2, b is the coefficient of x, and c is the constant. So this is the formula which we can use to solve any kind of quadratic equation. X equals minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. So let's solve this problem. Let's say example 1. Find the roots of the equation x squared plus 5x plus 4 using formula method. Formula method. So the first thing we need to establish is that we have solution. We have x squared plus 5x plus 4. So we need to find the values of a, b, and c. So we say where a is equal to, what is a? A is the coefficient of x squared. And what is the coefficient of x squared here? 1. The coefficient of x squared is 1. So we have 1. B is the coefficient of x. And what is that? 5. And c is the constant, which is 4. So we already have that x is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. So all we need to do is to replace these values in this equation and we'll get the values of x. So we have x to be equal to minus b, minus is already there and b is positive, so we have 5, plus or minus square root of b squared, b is 5, all raised to the power 2, minus 4, what is our a, times 1, and what is our b, our c, times c is 4. Here we have 4, which is 4, times a is 1, and c is 4. All divided by 2 times 1, that is 2a. So, and this should give us minus 5 plus or minus square root of 5 squared is 5 times 5, 5 times 5, and that will give us 25 minus 4 times 1 times 4 will give us 16 divided by 2. That's 2 times 1. And this should be equal to minus 5 plus or minus square root of 25 minus 16 should give us 9 divided by 2. So let's continue from here. So we have that x is equal to minus 5 plus or minus square root of 9, that is plus or minus square root of 9 is 3 all over 2. We have that x is equal to minus 5 plus 3 all over 2, or plus or minus, you take the first plus, the first one which is plus, or minus 5 minus 3 all over 2. Here we say minus 5 plus, because quadratic equations will definitely give us two answers. That's why we have plus or minus here. So we have this to be equal to minus 5 plus 3. Minus 5 plus 3 should give us negative 2 all over 2, or minus 5 minus 3. Minus 5 minus 3 will give us minus 8 all over 2. And this is equal to minus 2 all over 2 will give us minus 1, or that is x is equal to minus 1 or minus 4. So I hope it's simple. So this is how to solve quadratic equations using the formula method. Thank you for watching. Please remember to subscribe to this channel and click on the bell icon so that anytime we drop any video,